That's sick. I love that so fucking much. This is a box with a mystery RC inside of it that my dad got me quite recently. I have no idea what is inside of this. You may be thinking, where is my dad, actually? Well, he thought it would be an absolutely splendid idea if I tried my very first video on my own. If this does get posted to YouTube, hello YouTube. If this isn't posted to YouTube, hey Dad. But no matter what, we are going to be seeing this RC today. And now that I've seen just a little tidbit of it, time to flip it over. And comes sliding right out. Ooh, it's upside down. Here you guys. Oh, look at that. Dude, that's sick. So freaking, I'm so hyped for this, dude. This is awesome. Anyways, I mean, because I'm a presenter, I can't wait to try freaking RC TOPIA with some of this stuff. And for you guys who don't know, RC TOPIA is a giant land meant just for RCs. And actually, I'm unboxing right beside it.
Do you think he needs a list of questions or something to help him out?
No, leave him. You have 15 more minutes to leave him alone. You've already given him what he needs to accomplish, just let him do it.
There we go. Now that I have opened up both sides, I can finally take off the very top cover to reveal foam. Nah, just kidding, guys. We see the frickin' remote, which honestly, I will be taking it out of the packaging later in the video. I'm just frickin' enjoying it. Dude, I can't even really record just because I'm so frickin' happy. I know I've said that twice by now, but you know, still. Frickin' Bronco, bro. This is awesome. Okay, let me see if I can get these off. Whoa! Dude, it actually worked with the power of editing magic. This thing looks like a beast. 2069, Ford, beautiful spare tire on the back. Ooh, looks like room for a license plate too. Ooh, some front lights that can be activated eventually. I still need to get a battery for it though, but we need to see what type of battery it is, so we open it up.
I'm just checking the humidity of the apple trees.
What the heck?
Just checking the humidity of the trees.
What the?
Just checking the humidity of
Mr. RC Sparks, what are you doing here?
Just checking the humidity of my apple trees. I like to record it for posterity.
I thought I told you not to go over there.
Sorry.
Dad, no, come over here right now. The camera's off, come over here. Come over here right now.
He wants me back. That is baller.
Yeah.
Shout out to SSS-RC on AliExpress. Thank you for sending this out. I'm not even supposed to be in this video. Wait till you see this thing in action.
Yeah, I said it would be a beast.
Yeah. Did you flip it upside down? Did you see?
I was planning on flipping it upside down when I was going to try and take the body off.
What do you see there? What do you see?
Frickin' beautiful framing. Looks like it has some LED lights in it.
Look at this, all metal axles.
Frickin' awesome.
All metal drive shafts, super thick drive shafts.
Yeah, like really frickin' thick, actually.
Portal axles for extra clearance.
Strong.
2-stage transmission, brother.
Wow.
Yep, remote locking differentials. Insane light kit on here, buddy. Insane. I love the blue accents underneath the red and gray and black and white body.
Strong, yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, very good. Okay, the title is you're doing this on your own. I can't help you anymore, so I have to leave. I have to get back to checking the humidity of my trees.
Well, now that Mr. RC Sparks is sadly gone, it is just me once again. But he did clean up my workspace, which is nice. And he also made me remember to shout out MJX RC. Now, just to measure it, if I were to go bumper from bumper, I don't really know how I'd do this, which is, dang it, give me a second, guys. And it measures around, I'd say, a good 27 inches, which is freaking amazing for this truck. I'm still freaking hyped.
Yeah, and then start looking at the tire lugs.
The lug?
Lugs of the tires and such.
Beautiful for, what are her tires? How to open this thing up is just by an actual little screw right down here. I'm going to try and capture with the camera. Not sure if I can. Yep, it's right there. Right in the center of the screen. It's a nice easy screw for you to undo. Just because I don't have 4 hands, I'm going to undo it while the frickin' truck is sitting down. There we go. And then I open it up after a little bit of struggle. Oh, it's because it has magnets on the front. Ooh, lights. That's frickin' sick. Oh. I think I might need to get my dad for this. There's already a battery in here. What the heck? Do not pull. Pretty sure that means to pull it.
So it came with its own 3S LiPo, which is awesome. A 5,000 milliamp hour is probably going to last you like 30-40 minutes at least of runtime.
And this is definitely really exciting for me because I've only used my TRX Sport for as long as I can remember. See a good top-down view. You can see basically everything. You either have mild seizure, only front seizure, full seizure, or no seizure. But we like this one because it's good for filming.
And we gotta go through the shadows.
Oh, by the way, hello, Mom.
Hey.
Thank you for filming for me.
Of course.
I gotta bring this guy down. Beautifully cutting through the bush. Pretty freaking good. That suspension is beautiful how it's working. Oh, there's a rocket running.
I'm feeling hopeful. Hopeful that we'll get it right. I'm feeling hopeful. Looking at the northern lights.
Beautiful climbing skills.
I guess we'll have to figure out where we're going to put this 1/8 scale in the Topia.
Yeah.
For right now, let's bring her back to the table and grab Dad.
Yeah, let's do the outro.
Thanks, Dad.
Thank you.
That was a good run. What did you think about your first run?
So freaking awesome, dude. I love this truck so much.
What's one of your favorite things about it?
It looks so cool.
It does.
It's the
It actually handles well for 8 scale, hey?
Yeah, honestly, it does really, really well.
Yeah, it has some nice articulation to it for sure.
Yeah, I was actually pretty surprised on how it was doing with the climbing.
Corn on the cob.
Thank you, dude.
Corn on the cob.
Oh, thanks.
We got one for you guys too.
Love you.
Freaking awesome. Congrats, buddy. Thank you for the new truck, dude.
Yeah.